Welcome to Virtuino Cloud. This 3-minute video tutorial will get you started and take you into the Virtuino world. Create an account if you haven't already, then sign in. This is the console where you can manage your devices, fields, dashboards, and account. When your account is created, a demo device is already available for use in this tutorial. 2 demo fields are also created automatically. We will use them to send and receive values. On the home page, scroll down and select the MQTT Getting Started tutorial. Connect an ESP32 or ESP8266 board to your computer. No external wiring or sensors are required. Find the example code and click Copy. Open the Arduino IDE and paste the code into a new sketch. Now return to the Virtuino Cloud console. Enter your Wi-Fi SSID and password, so the board can connect to the internet. Then open keys and subusers in the console, and copy your MQTT username and MQTT password into the code. In the Arduino IDE, select the board you connected and then select its port. Upload the code and open the serial monitor. Wait until the Wi-Fi and MQTT connection is established. Return to the console and open the Data tab. You should see demo_field_1 receiving the random values sent by the board. Congratulations! You're already in the Virtuino world. Select the Dashboards tab and open the dashboard that was created automatically for you. Unlock the dashboard to enable editing. Add a value display with progress bar widget. In the widget settings, enter a title, then select the demo device and the field that receives the values. Save the widget, move it, and resize it to fit your dashboard. Now add a switch widget. We will use it to control the board's built-in LED. In the switch settings, select the second field that was created automatically by the platform. Save and position the new widget. Press the switch and watch the result in the serial monitor and on the board. You're ready to build your project. Welcome to Virtuino World, the magical world of the Internet of Things.